actually?
Yeah.
Go.
I don't think
Get behind it.
I don't think it's
Get
gonna.
behind it, yeah. Let's go back here.
Yeah, it has to get more out.
Back here. Ready?
Mm-hmm. Go. Fuck.
Oh, she's in pain.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, God. Oh.
Get her on that side. Bro, it's real easy. It's got to come off on this side, too. You got the whole thing. Here, let me squeeze it back.
No.
Easy. Ready? Squeeze me. Go. 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 More. Go. Go. Oh, God. You're doing good. You're doing good.
That's a lie. That's a grip.
And to think she has another
Okay,
one,
that's enough right now. That's enough right now.
That's enough.
Look at
Go
that.
rinse it out.
Look at that. All right, you know what?
Here, give me
Let
that
me
napkin,
get a
babe.
bottle of water and stuff.
Here's a
Hang
napkin.
on, hang on.
Here, keep it going in.
You want the napkins? Or you want to try to squeeze it more?
I'm still getting it out. Look, look.
Yep, it's still coming out.
It doesn't stink though, so it's not most of their stuff.
Yeah,
This is from my sister giving me to you. Look at that black spot right there.
yep,
That's the cord.
yep. The black. What's the core?
The cord is like it's the thing that holds the infection in.
Yeah, it's gonna keep coming.
Is it still coming out?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Black
the
stuff
cord
is
just
coming
came
out.
out. Yeah.
It feels better, huh, mija?
Yeah, the cord just came out.
Did it? Where?
It came out in a big old black chunk, huh, Angel?
Yeah, it was a black.
Good. Okay, that's enough. Let it go now.
No, there's still a lot more.
Well, here, let me squeeze that motherfucker. Back here. Watch, ready?
Oh, dang, that's a lot. Oh, man, blood and everything.
Angel, get this.
We are.
No, here. Over here.
Oh.
Dr. Pimple Popper.
I'm gonna send this to her. You got nothing on this.
Watch out, it's splashed.
Strawberry.
Got some got on me.
All right, that's it. Angel, all right, baby, stop. Here, let me rinse it. Rinse it. Here. Watch, back up. It's cold. Use your other hand. Not gonna hurt you. It's yours. Okay, let it go for now, okay? Here. Wipe the arm all off. Here. Now this shit has to go in the shower.
I know.
I know.
Very sensitive right now.
That's good. That's good. It's enough for right now. Okay? So pour the rest of the cold water over and make it feel good. It's enough. Let it go.
No.
Here, more water.
You're a horrible camera person.
Come on.
You move too much.
Put it down a little bit.
Blood and plus.